Welcome to Maths 33rd video. This is 33rd Maths class. Students, let us have a discussion about properties. In that last video, you learned first property, that according to first property, determinant value will not change if we go for transposing. On transposing, the value of the determinant remains unchanged. Determinant ಅನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ discussing one more property. First you write the property. Prove that if any two rows or are columns of a determinant any two rows or are columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. Sign of the determinant changes. Students, this is the property. First you understand the property. Understanding is so important. Understanding a problem is nothing but so often. So right, look at this. Prove that if any two rows or are columns of a determinant are interchanged, this is not transpose. You must be alert about this. This is not transpose. Transpose means I should interchange all the rows and all the columns. Here it is, in this property, it is only two rows or are two columns. If two rows or are two columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. Sign of the determinant means if it is plus 2, if determinant is plus 2, after interchanging it becomes minus 2. If the determinant is plus 2, after interchanging any two rows or any two columns, its value becomes minus 2. If I take one example, so then the concept will be so clear. You understand that neatly. Look at this. I take a determinant delta equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is R1. Expand it. 4 ones are 4. Minus 3 twos are 6. Minus 2. How much is determinant value? Minus 2. How much is determinant value? Minus 2. Now I go for interchanging rows. This is R1. This is R2. Interchanging rows means making R2 into R1 and or R1 into R2. That is called as interchanging. Interchanging means making R1 into R2 or R2 into R1. I will make R1 as R2, at the same time I should make R2 as R1. Let us go for interchanging. R1 double implies R2. If I write like this, the meaning of this is I am changing R1 by R2, R2 by R1. Double implies means exchanging, interchanging. That is making R1 into R2 or R1. Try to understand this symbolical representation. R1 ಅನ್ನು R2 ಮಾಡೋದು, R2 ನ R1 ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದು ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇದರ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. So look at this please. I am making R2 into R1. 3, 4. R1 ನ R2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1, 2. Expand now. 3 2s are 6 minus 4. How much is 6 minus 4? 2. Observe the difference. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 into determinant, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. Here we have minus 2. After interchanging, this minus 2 is becoming a plus 2. That is what the property. What is it? Now you understood the property very well. Two rows or two columns of a determinant are interchanged, surely its sign changes. Then sign of the determinant changes. Determinant means this number itself is called determinant. This number is called determinant. This number is also called as what? Determinant. Determinant means real number. Determinant means real number. This number is called determinant. This number is called determinant. You observe, sign of the determinant is changing. That is what the property says. Let us go for proving this. You must prove using general examples, using general determinants. Let us go for that. Proving this is so easy. Right? So right. Let solution. Let you take delta equals A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So right, expand it. A1 into row column B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 into column row A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 into A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Now, so multiply and simplify. Delta. So delta multiply A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus into plus minus A2 B1 C3 minus into minus plus A3 B1 C2 plus A2 B3 C1 plus into minus A3 B2 C1. This is delta. Now let us go for interchanging any two rows. You can interchange either R1 and R2 or R2 R3 or R1 R3. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ R1 ನ R2 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, R2 ನ R1 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ R2 ನ R3 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, R3 ನ R2 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ C1 ನ C2 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, C2 ನ C1 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನೌ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ R1 double inclined R2. Now I am going to do this one. I am doing this one. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ I am changing R1 by R2, R2 by R1. Let us do that. So right, R1 and R2 ನ R1 ತಾನೆ, A2 B2 C2. Next A1 B1 C1. Next A3 B3 C3. You represent this new determinant by delta 1. ಇದನ್ನ delta 1 ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡಿ. Expand it now. Expand it. A2 into B1 C3 minus B3 C1 minus B2 into column row A1 C3 minus A3 C1 plus C2 into C2 into column row A1 B3 minus A3 B1, right? Expand it. Delta 1 A1 B1 C3 minus A2 B1 C3 minus A2 B3 C1 minus into plus minus A1 B2 C3 minus into minus plus A3 B2 C1 plus A1 B3 C2 minus A3 B1 C2. Now, according to property, we need one extra minus. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, by keeping that in mind, I go for removing one extra minus from this delta 1. Remove one minus. If I remove one minus from this expression, plus terms becomes minus terms becomes plus becomes minus A2 B1 C3 minus term becomes plus A2 B3 C1 minus term becomes plus A1 B2 C3 plus becomes minus A3 B2 C1 plus becomes minus A1 B3 C2 minus becomes plus A3 B1 C2. Now you observe the terms inside the bracket. Bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ terms ಅನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. You compare this with delta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗಮನಿಸಿ. A1 B2 C3 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus A1 B3 C2 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. minus A1 B3 C2 minus A2 B1 C3 minus A2 B1 C3 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Next A3 B1 C2 last time ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Next A2 B3 C1 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Next minus A3 B2 C1 minus A3 B2 C1. This bracket is nothing but delta. Bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. I substitute delta 1 is equal to minus delta. Reproved. minus extra ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ two rows or two columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. You will get an extra minus. I hope you understood. This is second property. What is that second property? Determinant changes its sign. Determinant na sign ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎರಡು ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Try to understand this property very well. This is about second property. Let's move on to third property. So right, third property number 3. Let us move on to property number 3. Let us move on to property number 3. So the property number 3 is prove that the value of the determinant is 0. Prove that if any two rows or columns, prove that if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical. Identical means same. Prove that if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. Then the value, then the value of determinant, value of the determinant is 0. Understand this? Try to understand this property, students. It's so easy property. So any determinant, if any two rows or any two columns looks same, then the value of the determinant is 0. ಯಾವುದೇ determinant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳೋದು. In any determinant, if any two rows or any two columns are same, identical means same, ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, then the value of the determinant is 0. Let's go for proving this directly. So I need not to take examples. Proving this is so easy. Solution. Let delta. So A1, B1, C1. So A2, B2, C2. A1, B1, C1. When you observe this determinant, students, here I am taking first one, third row as same. You need not to take first row and third row as same. If you wish, if you are willing, you can take first row, second row as same, or you can take first column, second column as same, or you can take first column, third column as same, or you can take second column, third column as same. All are one and the same. They are all one and the same. I hope you are understanding. Expand it now. Expand it, you will get 0. That's all. So A1 into B2 C1 minus B1 C2 minus B1 into A2 C1 minus A1 C2 plus C1 into A2 B1 minus A1 B2. Simplify this, students. Simplify that. Delta is equal to A1 B2 C1 minus A1 B1 C2 minus to plus minus A2 B1 C1 plus A1 B1 C2 plus A2 B1 C1 minus A1 B2 C1. Now you check all the terms get cancels. All the terms get cancels. A1 B2 C1 minus A1 B2 C1. We have it at the end. Minus A1 B2 C1. Next minus A1 B1 C2 minus A1 B1 C2 A2 B1 C1 all terms getting cancelled. Therefore delta is equal to 0. I hope you understood this property very well. So right, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. I hope you understood all the properties very well. Instead of practicing, in addition to practicing, you must by heart the properties, because we are going to use these properties in solving problems. Okay, students, we shall meet in the next class. Thank you.